Okay, so ordinarily I'm trying to make pristine looking beautiful video that has no imperfections at all, but for a project I've got coming up here soon, I need some video that's going to look like crap, and I'm going to add a lot of what's called Misfire plugins to this. I'm trying to remember the name of the company that makes Misfire. I cannot even remember now, but at any rate, right now what I'm doing, I'm trying a variety of things to make the video look like it came from the 70s or came from probably 70s, late 70s, something like that, but still be in high definition. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to segue through a number of different Misfire videos here, or Misfire plugins for Adobe Premiere. I'm shooting in 60 interlaced, shooting 17 megasecond AVC HD off of a Canon HFS 100. I'm just holding it in my arm at arm's length. And so we're going to see just how crappy we can make this video look. I'm going to try to use some film grain, I'm going to try to use some lines, I'm going to try to use some noise, and see what we can do to make some really ratty looking video that still is high quality, high definition video, just using this for effects only.